start.
Hello, I'm Silver. We will learn about small-scale and large-scale productions. In our world, there are two types of production in industries: small-scale and large-scale. In small-scale production, it refers to the production of a commodity with a small plant-size firm. It requires less amount of capital and is labor-intensive in nature. This is called a factory, where manufacturers can create some goods like some foods, plastics, garments, electronics, and many more. Most people watch the TV show called How It's Made, as a source episode aired by the Discovery Networks. They include automated machines, computer-aided systems, and robotics in factories. Its advantage is, they are a critical part of modern economic production, with the majority of the world's goods being created or processed within factories. Factories arose with the introduction of machinery during the Industrial Revolution, when the capital and space requirements became too great for cottage industry or workshops. On the other hand, a large scale refers to the production of a commodity on a large scale with a large-sized firm. It requires huge investments in plant and machinery. Large-scale firms are characterized by mechanization, division of labor, and production and sale of goods in large quantities. For example, in jute industry, they start with a raw material of jute fibers. Workers can make jute bags that are strong enough for the heaviest load, are spacious and eco-friendly. Another example, in engineering industry, workers can manufacture automobiles, aeronautics, electronics, and appliances, etc. Its advantage is, when more units of a good or a service can be produced on a larger scale, with less input costs per unit of output produced, economies of scale are said to be achieved. So, that's how the workers and manufacturers do in small and large-scale productions. Like, comment, and subscribe now.